Okay, you can't see it, but see these turkey have gathered because there's a cat, a feline, who's invading their turf. So they're gathering in force to dissuade it, and it's working. See, we get the cat up there. It's on the upper limb. Zoom over here, you'll see it. There it is. And this is an outdoor cat, feral, but it's no match for strength, especially when these turkey are in numbers. Dinosaurs versus feline. Victory go to the dinosaurs. Congrats, guys.